Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you my top 10 purchases of 2023. I had to be really picky about which ones I wanted to feature in this video, and these are absolutely my top 10 favorite across a variety of different categories. First one is this white button-up shirt. Now, this looks like a plain old white shirt. However, I have always been in the search for the perfect white button-up that's not see-through, that feels nice, is made from good materials, is breathable, can tuck it in, can keep it out. It's not that easy to find a really nice white button-up shirt. So this one is from Sezane. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Sezane. They are a Parisian brand. I was fortunate enough to stop by the store in Paris earlier in 2023, and I had to be really choosy about what I was going to buy from the shop because I didn't want to bring a whole lot back in my bags coming home. So I picked up this. It fits so nicely. So here's the thing. It's 100% organic cotton. It feels really nice. It kind of feels like that old, worn, washed denim feel. So it's definitely not one of those flimsy, thin cottons. You are not going to be able to see your bra under here. It feels really good. I also like that the collar is pretty minimalist. There's nothing fancy going on. It's simple, classic silhouette here. Then you've got the buttons, so you can button it all the way up, or you can just button it right here, and it hits really nicely like a V. Some of the other white shirts that I have, unfortunately, the buttons are misplaced, or at least they don't fall nicely on me. So when I unbutton one, it's way too low cut, or it's a little too high cut and it feels stuffy. But I feel like they really thought this through, and it feels really nice when you open up the buttons. Then you've got the one pocket here. So I did pick up this one in the white. I've had it now for about maybe 9 months or so, and it's holding up really nicely even with the wash. And then because I love the fit and the feel so much, when I tried it on, I also picked up this one, same exact, in this light denim blue. So this is also really nice, and I believe they're still available on the Sezane website, so I'll be sure to link it down below. Now here's the thing with Sezane. I've noticed that some of my favorites, they will have them available for a season or two, and then once they sell out, they do not restock. So they will move on to another collection. And so far, these shirts have been a bestseller as far as I can tell, and they still have them available, but I don't know for how long they'll be around. So if you're looking for a staple button-up shirt like this, again, 100% organic cotton, feels really good. The stitching is really nice. These are both about 9 months old or so, and they're holding up really well. Next item is a bag. All right, this is not a fancy bag. It's not, high-end or designer. This is the Uniqlo nylon crossbody bag, and it's like a sling shape, which has been so popular this past year and continues to be very popular. Super lightweight, like a feather. And we also got the ivory colored one in the corduroy, but my daughter has claimed that as her own and wears it all the time. So I wear this simple black one. I did a full review on this. I'll link it up above in case you missed it. You would be surprised how much fits in here. It is just so roomy. This is by far one of my most used bags and will continue to be, both for travel and just for every day on the go, when I go to work out, pick up my kids from school. It's just really secure and light and roomy, and the price is so good. So I know there are now so many more color options and different fabric options. The corduroy one is super, super cute, but I've personally never been able to wear it because my daughter has taken it since day one. That's how much she loves it. But the Uniqlo bag, it is all hyped up for a reason. This is not one of those things where it's hyped just for the sake of hype. It's a really good bag, especially for the price. Next, this is kind of funny to show, but these are the bras from DUYP that I have been raving about. These bras now, they're worn, okay? They're about a year old. Got them at the very beginning of 2023. It's similar to my skin tone. It's like an almondy, peachy color, and then this is black. And these are the ones with the spaghetti straps, but the ones with a thicker strap is even more comfortable. I'm wearing it now because I'm going to Pilates in 2 hours. So I've stopped wearing sports bras. So even when I go to work out, I wear these. This is from the Barely Zero collection, the best. I got one for my mom and one for my sister for Christmas, and they both messaged me saying, where in the world did you find these amazingly comfortable bras? I also have their underwear, but I'm not about to bust out my panties for my YouTube video. But I will link DUYP down below if you've never heard of them. They are all the rave, so comfortable, universal sizing. I did not believe that it would fit because I'm rather small chested, and then my sister has a different chest size and my mom does, but it's such a stretchy material, so it fits. And then The spaghetti strap one, at least, is definitely adjustable. The thicker strap, I don't think has an adjustable feature. I'm trying to feel while I'm wearing it right now. Let me just go up here. Yeah, I don't think there's any kind of adjustable feature, but it is super stretchy. And I have recommended these to so many people, and everyone raves about them. So definitely check out DUYP if you're interested in some really comfortable bras that feel like you're not wearing anything. Next, I showed this in my what I got for Christmas video. This is what I requested from my husband. Very simple hairbrush, but it's a volumizer and straightener. So you plug it in, you have all these different settings here. You've got cool, low, and high. I usually put it on the high setting so that's super hot and strong, and it just blows right through my thick, heavy hair. I have very thick hair. I have lots of hair. It usually takes me forever to dry my hair, even with my beloved Dyson hair dryer, which is great. This has just blown me out of the water with like how good this is, especially considering the price. It's really affordable. I got mine off of Amazon, or my husband actually. I sent a link to my husband and he got it for me. But it's really good. I also gifted it to a friend. If you have hair that's kind of wavy or even coarse, or maybe even slightly curly, and you just want to straighten it out when you blow dry it and you want it to go super fast, this is really good. When I mentioned this in my Christmas video, I had a bunch of you comment in the comment section saying that you also have it and you love it. I'm going to travel soon this month, and I'm going to bring this. I'm just bringing this. I'm not bringing my hair straightener. I'm not bringing my Dyson hair dryer. I'm just bringing this because this is like a 2-in-1. It's like a 3-in-1. It's a volumizer, it's a straightener, and it's a dryer. So really, really good. Highly recommend this. Next, I mentioned that I'll be going away soon. We're going on a beachy vacation. We like to start off the new year with a beachy vacation just because it's so cold here in New York and we like to get some sunshine. I'm going to be packing these. These are my Everlane sandals. They're dirty because I've worn them quite a bit, but these were such a good purchase. So these are the fold over sandals, and I did a review on these a while back when I first got them. There are no edges, there's no sharp corners, there's no rubbing that happens. This is all just super soft, supple leather. As you can see here, it's really, really flexible, and it just folds right over. And so many people that I know have these sandals as well. It comes in a variety of different colors. So comfortable, doesn't matter what your foot shape size is. Really, really, really nice. And I want to say in terms of sizing, they're true to size. If you don't like any like hangover on the heel, just go half size up. But they've got the rubber soles, and I want to get more in different colors, but I'm trying to just resist that temptation since I have these. These are like a peachy color. Really, really comfortable. And if you wanted another pair of sandals that look and feel similar but are much more affordable in price, I got these off of Amazon last summer, and I wore these on vacation a ton as well. I've gotten them wet in the sand. Look at all the sand. It's like stuck in there. These are super comfortable as well. Slightly different shape. You've got the leather fold over, shorter on the top. Love this tan and white contrast. There's also an all tan one. There's a black one. A lot of different options on Amazon. The price is amazing. I'll link it down below. You've got the rubber sole here. And you know what? I like that the price is so good that if you get sand on them, if you get salt water on them, if you mess them up, you don't really fuss because it's not like super expensive. It's not designer. Here you can see some wear here. I did wear them quite a bit over the summer, and I'll be packing these as well for my upcoming vacation. These were a really good find. Here's something else I have to share with you. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this on my channel before, but I probably mentioned it on my Instagram stories. Atomy is a Korean brand. I use some of their other products, like their shampoo and conditioner. They're a little pricey for some of their products, but this is so good and so worth it, and the price is actually pretty good. So this is Essence Sunblock, essentially. It's SPF 50. It's going to protect you from the UV rays. And I mean, it's all in Korean, so you're not going to be able to really read it or make sense of it. But it is slightly tinted like this, but it just rubs right in. And here's the thing. My friend and I, we were traveling, and her face was glowing. It looked just so dewy and moist and healthy. And I was like, what do you have on your face? And she's like, just sunblock. I was like, which sunblock? So it's this, and actually sometimes I layer when the sun is very strong, which I'll do on our vacation. So I'll put this on, and you can see how look at the difference. So on this hand, you can already see like a gloss. It's very subtle. There's no like shimmer. It's just really moist and glossy. It looks so, so healthy. And then I'll layer some other sunblock on top if I need to, if the sun is super strong. But this, and then maybe even like tinted moisturizer, you don't need anything more. It looks so good. So this is like my third bottle or so because my friend recommended this early on in 2023. I used up the first bottle or two, and now I have this one. But it's really good. Probably hard to find, but it is on Amazon, so I'll link it down below if you're interested. But I will say it does have a little bit of a scent, a very subtle scent. I'm quite sensitive about that, but it has not bothered me. Plus, I have very sensitive skin, and I usually use things like CeraVe to wash my face. I don't put anything heavy on. I don't wear foundation, and this has not bothered me one bit at all. So highly recommend this Atomy Essence / Sunblock. And then this little cutie here I got a while back, earlier last year from Farfetch, I believe. And it is just the cutest thing, Longchamp pliage pouch with the top handle. So many different colors. Here's the thing, I love this pouch just because it's so cute and you can fit so much. I'll link my review video. I fit so much in here, especially for travel. You can put all your toiletries, your little beachy stuff, sunblock, sunglasses. But this is what I wanted to show you. This conversion kit has been a total game changer. And this has been sold out for months now, but this color combo is back. It's the cognac cowhide leather with the white stitching and the gold hardware. This was so popular. It sells from Dress Up Your Purse. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Dress Up Your Purse, and it comes with these little bits here, so it actually attaches onto the handle, and then you can turn this little pouch into a bag. And I've done a whole video last summer where it was a crossbody bag for me when we were away, and it's so adorable. And of course, because the Longchamp nylon is so water resistant and stain resistant, it's very fuss free no matter where you go. How cute is that? It's totally adjustable. It's got multiple holes here. And there are different color combos available, but I wanted to point this out because I know that some of you were waiting for this cognac color to come back. And so I'll link this. There's always a 15% off promo code that you can use for any of the orders from Dress Up Your Purse to save extra money. And I'll also see if I can find any more of these little pouches. Many of the colors were sold out, but I'm hoping that some have come back. There was a really cute light pastel pink that was so pretty. I think it would match my larger Le Pliage tote that I have, you guys, like that lavender pink. If I see it available, I'll link that below as well. This is called the candy pink, and I have not seen this come back yet, but there are some other really pretty colors. So the pouch, but also the conversion kit. So I would say this was a really, really good idea to put these two together. Highly recommend. Then I'm going to show you this, which is called the M Case from Dress Up Your Purse as well. Again, you can get 15% off with my promo. These are not from my collab with them. You guys might know if you've been here a while. I did a collaboration with the owner of Dress Up Your Purse, and there are a few different styles that we co-collaborated on together, and you can see that on their website. This is not one of those collaborations, but this is the same beautiful grainy Togo leather that was used on some of our collab pieces. So I stand by this leather here. Here's the thing. This size, I don't know, it's just like, it's like the perfect size to just throw your stuff in. I have a bunch of stuff in here that make no sense. A pack of tissues, a little notebook to jot down my ideas, a pen, and a brush. I got this from a hotel in Tokyo. It was part of our little welcome kit. Hand lotion, a lippy. I mean, you can put so much more in here, but it's unlined. It's super, super pliable and soft, as you can see. So you can just put anything in here and it shape shifts. And I've been using this pretty much nonstop for my travels. Just throw this into my bigger bags. It's a really nice size. Let me give you a quick comparison. Like this is, for example, the mini pochette. So the mini pochette is obviously smaller. Here's one of my collab pieces with Dress Up Your Purse, our very first mini pochette here. So you can see it's a different shape. And then here's the PM size cosmetic pouch from LV in monogram. This is kind of comparable in terms of size, but obviously the shape is very different. But I'm telling you, like, look how soft this thing is. So while I've been using this, Melody, who's the owner of Dress Up Your Purse, also sent me this color a while back, and I haven't used it. I was thinking about gifting it, but I love this so much, this M Case. Like this, I don't know, just the size and shape works. And this one is the Tiffany blue, same Togo leather with silver hardware, which I love. And so I think I'm gonna greedily keep this one too. Especially like in the fall and winter, I love this rich caramel brown. But in the spring and summer, I think this is also really pretty. It's a beautiful pop of Tiffany blue. So maybe on our upcoming vacation, I'll take this one. So definitely recommend these M cases. They're super, super handy. And then the last thing I wanted to show you was this bag. Gotta finish it with the bag. This is my Cuyana tote, and it's the one without the zipper, but you can obviously choose the option with the zipper if you want more security. This was actually a gift from the brand, but I have become so smitten with this. I mean, as soon as I received it, I remember just gushing about it because I was so pleasantly surprised by the quality of this leather. Look how smushy and soft and wonderful it is, but it's also glazed in this really nice, like, shimmery, not shimmery, it's not shimmer, there's no like glitter on it, but you can tell there's something on it. It's a really nice coating and it makes it feel really supple and nice. I've gotten this caught in the rain. I talked about that before. It holds up perfectly fine in the rain. Just wipe it off. And it's just such a simple minimalist bag, and it's hard to find leather totes that don't have all these bells and whistles that make it super heavy. You know, it's just one large compartment. It's got a small pocket here. You've got these handles, which I think are really handy. You can just grab and go or put it in the crook of your arm. But I often wear it with these longer handles, which is a very generous strap length. So I know that I've talked about this tote a lot this year. I just wanted to share it one more time. It's the cappuccino color, but there are so many other colors available. It's timeless and it's well made. And you guys know I've really been enjoying discovering brands that are newer, up and coming, lesser known, also more affordable, more value versus like the high-end brand name screaming thousands of dollars. So I've really enjoyed mixing it up in the past year, and I want to be able to continue to share with you guys my finds. So those are the 10 that I wanted to share. I'll link everything down below so you can find them easily. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section, and also let me know what is one find that you have discovered this past year that you absolutely love and would recommend. I would love to know. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.